How long will my divorce take? How much it's going to cost me? And will it destroy my family? Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. And that's exactly what we're going to be covering in today's video. Question number one, how long will my divorce take? And the answer is, it depends. The reason why I say that is because it depends on your marriage system, and more importantly, it depends on whether you and your spouse agree on the divorce. In other words, an uncontested divorce. That's the best kind of divorce you can get. That means you sign a settlement agreement and you go to court just to have the agreement endorsed. If you're fighting over everything, including who gets the cup and saucers, then it's going to take a very long time. So how long will your divorce take? Depends on whether you have it settled or you agree to fight. In terms of an estimated time frame for a divorce, it can take from 6 to 8 weeks where it is uncontested, all the way up to many years if you are fighting for everything. So it all depends on whether you and your spouse are fighting. Number two, how long or how expensive will be my divorce? What's the cost of it? And that too, the answer depends on how much you fight. If you fight a lot, there's going to be more paperwork that needs to be done. The more paperwork that needs to be done means more costs. So you want to avoid that. Now you might be thinking, hey Aslam, I want to settle my divorce, but my partner on the other hand is fighting over everything. Do I still have rights? Yes, you can do something called a Rule 41A mediation, where you try and settle the case in advance, and if they fail to do that, then you can show that to the judge at a later stage to say, I didn't want to fight, they wanted to fight, now they must pay the cost. In terms of the cost as well, you can actually do it for free in the regional court. It won't cost you a cent. But if you've got the finances, I would encourage you to hire an attorney, because they will be able to look at your situation objectively and come to the best solution for you. The reason why I say that is because you are at the front line of your divorce and you want someone who can think objectively about your situation. And number three, the question we often get is, will divorce destroy my family? And the answer is, depends, but probably not. The reason why I say that is because you are making this decision to move on with your life, hopefully to a better start in your life. And if you stay with your partner, you're not happy, what are the consequences to your own personal well-being, to your own mental and emotional health? You're making a decision to start a new life. So will it destroy your family? I don't think so. I think your children are going to see you more happier and more fulfilled. If you need help in your situation, whether that's drawing up a settlement agreement, drafting a Rule 41A notice, or going ahead in terms of finalizing your divorce, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.